Lecture 3rd of central orbit, we will today discuss differential equation of central orbit in pedal form. First of all, we will discuss what are pedal coordinates. Student, let us take O be the fixed point, or you can say origin, OX be the initial line. Let the particle is at position P. So OP is at the R, distance R. So this is angle theta. So this is coordinates of P are R comma theta. So these are polar coordinates. You are already familiar with polar coordinates. So let us now discuss pedal coordinates. Students, अगर हम P पॉइंट से एक टेंजेंट ड्रॉ करते हैं और O से इस टेंजेंट पे परपेंडिकुलर ड्रॉ करें, तो दिस इज स्मॉल p which is called perpendicular from this O to the tangent drawn at point P. तो इस point P के जो कोऑर्डिनेट्स हैं उनको हम r कॉमा स्मॉल p भी ले सकते हैं और इन कोऑर्डिनेट्स को हम कहते हैं pedal coordinates. So this is all about pedal coordinates. So let us now come to the how to derive differential equation. Consider O be the fixed point, OX be the initial line, P be the position, R be the radial distance. So OP is equal to R, and this is the angle described by the particle at position P. So P, R comma theta be the polar coordinates. Again P से O से perpendicular draw हुआ है to the tangent at point P. P पे यहाँ पे हमने tangent बनाई और यहाँ से एक perpendicular लिया, तो this is small p which is length of perpendicular from O to the point to the tangent at P. So P, R comma theta are the pedal coordinates as we discussed earlier. So हमने P को अगर length लिया है perpendicular drawn length of the perpendicular drawn from the pole O to the tangent at point P, तो हमें ये जो रिलेशन है इसको लर्न करना पड़ेगा. सो रिलेशन इज P, R और थीटा में रिलेशन 1/p स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू 1/r स्क्वायर प्लस 1/r टू द पावर 4 dr by d theta whole square. Let us take u is equal to 1/r. So du by d theta differentiating with respect to theta, we will get r का 1/r का डेरिवेटिव माइनस 1/r स्क्वायर एंड डेरिवेटिव है विद रिस्पेक्ट टू थीटा, सो इट इज dr by d theta. Again rewriting this equation as dr by d theta is equal to 1/u square du by d theta. सो हम ये जो आपके पास dr by d theta की वैल्यू आ गई है इसको हम यूज़ कर लेंगे इक्वेशन नंबर 1 में, और जैसे ही हम इसको इक्वेशन नंबर 1 में यूज़ करेंगे वी विल गेट एन इक्वेशन 1/p स्क्वायर is equal to u square plus du by d theta whole square which is equation 3. Again differentiating with respect to theta. हम चाह क्या रहे हैं, हम चाह रहे हैं कि ये जो आपके पास इक्वेशन 3 आई है अब इसमें कोई रिलेशन निकले इस इक्वेशन का किसके साथ, डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन ऑफ सेंट्रल ऑर्बिट. एंड व्हाट वाज डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन ऑफ सेंट्रल ऑर्बिट, इट वाज d2u by d theta square plus u is equal to f upon h square u square. So to get d2u by d theta square, we will again differentiate this. So again differentiate this equation 3, we will get what is derivative of 1 minus 1/p square with respect to theta is minus 2/p cube dp by d theta. U square is 2u du by d theta, and what about du by d theta whole square, 2 du by d theta, again d2u by d theta square. Take common du by d theta, we will get d2u upon d theta square plus u, and this is our target, और ये है differential equation of central orbit which is equal to f upon h square u square. So we will use the value of f h square u square here in this equation. So we will get minus 1 upon p cube dp by d theta f upon h square u square into minus, and what is du by d theta, as we have calculated earlier, du by d theta is from this equation star minus 1 upon r square dr by d theta. So we will use the value here minus 1 upon r square dr by d theta. So what will we get? R square or u square cancel with each other, and you will get 1 upon p cube dp by d theta is equal to h upon r square dr by d theta. So from here we will get an equation h square here upon p cube dp upon dr is equal to f, and this is the equation of central orbit in pedal form. Student, what is F? F is the central force per unit mass, which we have taken earlier in derivation of differential equation of central orbit in polar coordinates. So F is same here, central force per unit mass, which is always directed towards the fixed point O. So this is all about the differential equation of central orbit in pedal form. Thank you for watching the video. Students, PDF of this video is also attached here within the description box.